Good morning, dear children. Let us understand the difference between uniform and non-uniform motion with the help of one activity, and we will also try to understand the meaning of uniform circular motion. So, our first objective is to understand the difference between uniform and non-uniform motion. You can see the motion of this toy here. It is moving in one direction. So, motion in the same direction, that is there, and it is also moving with constant speed. So there are two conditions for uniform motion. First condition is this, that directions should remain same, and second condition is this, that the speed should be constant. So the direction is shown with the help of a marker here. You can see a marker that's moving. So it is moving in one direction, fixed direction, and speed is also constant. So these are two particular conditions which are to be satisfied for the uniform motion. And we can understand it again by saying that in this case equal distance is covered in equal intervals of time and direction is same. So 1 kilometer, again it covers 1 kilometer, again one. So every time it covers 1 kilometer, say within fixed time, say 20 seconds. So this motion is uniform. Now non-uniform motion. For non-uniform motion, the speed doesn't remain constant and direction also changes again and again. So motion done in such a way that speed changes and direction also changes, so that is known as non-uniform motion. So both conditions, they are not satisfied. Equal distance is not covered in equal interval of time. So this is non-uniform motion. Now we will try to understand what is uniform circular motion. For that we are to rotate a ball tied with a thread. So this is uniform circular motion in which the speed remains same but direction is changing continuously. So here we don't have same direction. Constant speed is there, but we don't have same direction. So this is uniform circular motion. So motion on a circular track, that is uniform circular motion. So every time the direction of the ball changes when you leave it at any particular point. So that is shown with the help of this marker here. You can see every time the direction keeps on changing. So this is known as the uniform circular motion. So I guess you have understood what is uniform motion, what is non-uniform motion, and what is uniform circular motion. So let's recapitulate once again. Uniform motion is that motion in which equal distance is covered in equal intervals of time. Non-uniform motion is that motion where unequal distance is covered in equal intervals of time. In uniform motion, speed remains same. In non-uniform motion, speed does not remain same. And uniform circular motion is that motion in which speed may remain same, but direction of motion changes continuously. So that's all in this video.